In a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young boy named Liam. Liam was known for his insatiable curiosity and his relentless desire to explore the world beyond the village. However, he was often met with skepticism and doubt from the villagers, who believed that their humble village was all there was to life. One day, while exploring the outskirts of the village, Liam stumbled upon a neglected garden. Among the overgrown bushes and withering flowers, he noticed a tiny, struggling seedling. With a glimmer of determination in his eyes, he decided to care for the fragile plant. Day after day, he watered it, cleared away the weeds, and shielded it from harsh weather. As time passed, the seedling began to transform. It grew taller, its leaves grew greener, and its branches reached out towards the sun. Soon, it blossomed into a beautiful tree with vibrant flowers that radiated colors no one in the village had ever seen before. The villagers were astounded by the transformation, and they approached Liam with a mixture of amazement and curiosity. They asked him how he had managed to nurture a tree that had seemed doomed to fail. Liam smiled and said, "I believed in its potential. I knew that with care, patience, and the right environment, it could thrive. Just like this tree, we all have the potential to grow and flourish if we believe in ourselves and cultivate a growth mindset." Inspired by Liam's words and the flourishing tree before them, the villagers began to reconsider their own limiting beliefs. They realized that they too had untapped potential waiting to be nurtured. Slowly but surely, they started to pursue their passions, challenge their comfort zones, and embrace new opportunities. Liam's story became a symbol of self-belief and a growth mindset for the entire village. As they supported one another's endeavors, the village transformed into a vibrant community of dreamers and doers. Years later, when outsiders visited the village, they were struck by its prosperity and the extraordinary tree that stood at its heart. The villagers proudly shared the story of Liam and the transformation that had taken place within them. And so, the village that was once known for its skepticism and limited aspirations became a beacon of hope and inspiration. All because of a young boy who believed in a struggling seedling and, in turn, ignited a spark of self-belief and growth mindset within the hearts of his fellow villagers.